Hi guys, my name is Aditayo. I'm a registered nurse and a graduate of University of Lagos. On this channel, I talk about nursing, academic writing, productivity and research. So, if you would like to be part of this community, kindly click the subscribe button below. Thank you. So today, I'm going to be talking about an important aspect of the academic essay, which is the introduction. Now, we all know that an essay is being categorized into three parts. We have the introduction, we have the body, and we have the conclusion. So the introduction and the conclusion is usually 10% of your word count. So imagine you have a 3,000 words essay. So it means that 10% of 3,000, which is 300 words, is for your introduction. So the introduction is the first section of your essay that serves like a map that guides your reader through your essay. It's very important that in this part you state your points clearly and you grab your reader's attention, because this is going to determine how the reader is going to perceive your essay and also drive an interest in the reader's mind. Furthermore, there are basic things in which your introduction should contain. So the number one is a general overview. So in your introduction, you want to give a broad view of your topic. For instance, if I'm writing an essay about HIV/AIDS, I want to talk about the global view of HIV/AIDS. And the second one, you want to give a background information, such as providing statistics to support your general statement. Thirdly, you want to talk about the significance of the essay. Talking about the significance of your essay is telling your reader that, okay, this particular topic I'm talking about is very important. Also, you want to provide a thesis statement. A thesis statement is you talking about your argument or turning your point such that, okay, your reader is able to perceive, okay, this is the global view and this is what I think about this particular topic. If I'm going to be giving any student tips about writing an introduction, I will tell you that if you are unsure about what you write in your introduction, I would prefer that you leave that particular part for later. So you can start by writing the body, and then when you're done, you can have an idea of what to write in your introduction. You know that your introduction is 10% of your essay, so you can just leave a 300 space. Now let's talk about your thesis statement. Your thesis statement can either be argumentative or expository. When I talk about expository would that states your question. So for instance, I said that thesis statement is a particular section in your introduction. So in order to do this, you just rephrase what your question is talking about and then you put it. But after rephrasing, you state your points. So for instance, if you have a question about government attitude towards public health strategies, so what you would do is that you want to state your points about that question. Do government actually respond to these strategies, or they don't respond to it? And then you want to rephrase that topic and then state your points in it. So that will give you an expository thesis statement. But if you are talking about an argumentative thesis statement, so you are trying to pick what people think about a particular thing and then state what your point is. For instance, I can say most people feel like communication is a very important aspect of nursing to establish therapeutic relationship. However, I feel like communication has its good and bad. So if you like what we've discussed here today, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel.